Hi all. This is a quick review for Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker. So I got this from Amazon, and I was really looking for something for my son for online classes, because using micro headphone for long time for kids is not good. So this is really helpful. You can use this for it has really good volume, so you can use to attend the online classes, as well as it has inbuilt mic, so you can also use it for hands-free calling, or you can also use the same to talk to your teachers or whoever is on the call. So this has BT Bluetooth 5.0, USB, then micro SD card which supports up to 32 GB, FM. It also has auxiliary mode, TWS function, and as I said, like, it also has call function. So let's talk about the design. The design is really good. You can see it is really handy. It's very good handle given over here, so useful for kids. And design is really sturdy. So this is all looks metal, it's not cloth or anything. So very sturdy design. Even it by mistake fall down, then shouldn't happen anything. It comes it you can see here it has 4 buttons on top. One is M, minus, plus, and the last button is for pause or play. M is nothing but different modes. So it has Bluetooth mode, FM mode, and auxiliary mode. So you can set on anything. It comes with this cable, which has one end as aux and other as USB, and micro USB is connected over here for charging. On the back side, you can see it has a USB port. The light you blinking here, you can see that is SD card slot, and this toggle button on off switch. Just one thing I want to highlight over here. This the connections for this micro USB is not that great, so you don't plug in plug off this cable very regularly. Anyways, this is not required to remove this cable for any of the functions, so keep it connected for longer life basically. Okay, so let me turn off this. Okay, and I'm turning on
Zebronics for life.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, now currently it is on Bluetooth mode. So let's check here. On my machine it is already paired, so I'll just show one song how that sounds. Give me a second. Okay, let me connect the device. Okay, let's remove the device and try a new one. Okay, we got this one.
Zed County is now connected.
Okay, click on done. It is connected.
And I just can't believe we're here together. And I wanna play cool, but I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you any ring. And I'm in pieces, baby, fix me.
So this sound you are getting from the speaker. So speaker sound is decent. It's not, I cannot say that it is too great, but it is really good. Okay, and serves your purpose within this very short amount. So let's check the aux function as well. So I'm connecting this cable to an auxiliary port. Okay, and let's start. Okay, it's pausing because of the video.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching.
Okay, so this is about the aux mode and Bluetooth mode. Now let's change the mode to
FM mode.
ये प्रूव किया है कि VTP मतलब कंफर्ट और फ्यूचर रेडी होम्स प्रीमियम एमिनिटीज
so this, if you want to reduce the volume or increase the volume, keep this button long pressed, minus button long pressed, that will change the volume, it will reduce the volume, and plus button
स्पेशल मॉनसून
that will
ऑफर्स के
increase
साथ
the
अब
volume.
शान से अपनी फेवरेट हीरो टू व्हीलर है खरीदना।
So and if you want to, currently this is on FM mode, but if you want to change a station, in that case just click on this plus or minus button.
एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी और शुड आई से झंगाट।
Okay, I have few channels set on it.
लाभार शोरूम मध्ये तेही गॅरंटीड व्हॅल्यू फॉर मनी सह।
मालाबार फेयर
हाय मैं हूँ जैकलीन।
Volume is good enough, so 3 watt is enough. Okay, all channels you can see. Initially when you set up, you make sure that this cable is connected and other end is free. Okay, currently it is connected here, but you can keep it free and just click on this button, play or pause button. So this will basically scan all your FM stations which are available in your area. Once that is done, you are all set. After that, you just have to click either plus or minus and you will start getting all the FM channels. Okay, so that's it for this, but this is really good choice if you are looking for some device, a Bluetooth device for your kids, or even if you want to take it out for outdoor activity. This is really good, and I got this only for rupees 559 on Amazon. The price may vary around 600, but this is really good choice. You can go for it. Thanks everyone.